Good day. Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Heidi Balanag. I live in Pasarabia, Pangasinan. I am single and I have 6 brothers and 1 sister. I am second eldest in the family.
Do you have experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am and sir. I have experience working in Malaysia for 3 years. And there are 5 members in the family, the mother, father, 2 children, and 1 elderly.
Okay. What are your main duties in your previous employer?
My main duties in my previous employer, ma'am and sir, are taking care of children, tutoring children, cooking, house cleaning, washing and ironing clothes.
Okay. Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because not in other countries, Hong Kong has higher salary and I want to save money for myself, for my goals and dreams, and I want to help also my family also.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am and sir, I know how to cook some simple Chinese food like steamed rice, steamed chicken, and then stir-fry vegetables, and then frying some like egg.
Okay. If your employer has a small baby and required to look after him while sleeping, how will you manage your housework?
I will see to it that the baby is sleeping well, like the baby will not fall down. And if the baby is sleeping, I will do some household chores.
Okay. What can you teach to your employer's children?
I'll teach my employer's children good manners, and I will teach them how to read and write and speak in English.
Okay. What will you do if the baby has a fever?
If the baby has a fever, ma'am and sir, I will check the temperature, and then if the temperature is not that okay, I will ask my employer what to do.
Okay. What will you do if the baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, ma'am and sir, I will see to it that the baby is in good health, like the baby is not sick, or the baby is hungry, or the baby's diaper is full. I will change the diaper, and if the baby is sleepy, I will sing some nursery songs.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song and can you give an example?
One of the songs that I know, ma'am and sir, is the song Little Indians. I can sing it to you, ma'am and sir. Like, 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Indian, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Indian, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Indian, 10 little Indian boys.
Okay. What do you expect from your work in Hong Kong?
I have an idea the work in Hong Kong is not that easy, but I can do whatever challenges that I may encounter, and I can do my work well.
Okay. Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, sir, ma'am. I'm not afraid of dogs and cats.
Okay. How can you control your homesick?
I can easily control my homesick, ma'am and sir, by focusing on my work and doing my job well.
Okay. Do you have any special skills?
One of my special skills, ma'am and sir, is I am computer literate, and I also like biking.
Okay. What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am very much a hardworking person, sir, ma'am. I am obedient, and I have patience.
Okay. Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
To my future employer, ma'am and sir, please give me a chance to be your helper, and I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities well, and I will love your family, especially your children, and I will treat your family also as my family. And I promise to obey and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you for choosing me, sir, ma'am.